Episode 2. The Vatican's Role. How Rome replaced God's Sabbath with Sunday worship. They say, follow Jesus, but follow Rome instead. They say, we worship on Sunday because Christ rose then. But history exposes the truth. Sunday worship didn't come from Jesus, it came from the Vatican. The shift from Sabbath to Sunday was not divine, it was political. In 321 AD, Emperor Constantine issued a law. On the venerable day of the sun, let the magistrates and people residing in cities rest. That wasn't scripture. That was sun worship, baptized with a Christian label. The Church of Rome adopted it, and the world followed. The Catechism of the Catholic Church admits, Sunday is the day on which the Paschal mystery is celebrated. The Church substituted it for the Sabbath. They don't hide it. They boast about it. Of course, the Catholic Church claims that the change was her act, and the act is a mark of her ecclesiastical power. Catholic Record, September 1, 1923. A mark of power. Let that sink in. The fourth commandment says, remember. But this cult says, forget it, Rome knows better. No wonder Revelation 13 warns of a beast that changes times and laws. The Roman Church claims the authority to override the Bible, and Protestant churches, who follow Sunday instead of Sabbath, are bowing to that power. It's not just wrong, it's blasphemous. Protestants shout, sola scriptura. Yet they ignore the only day in Scripture God calls holy, the seventh-day Sabbath. They claim the Bible alone is their authority, yet follow the man-made traditions of Rome. The Sabbath was never changed by God. Jesus said, till heaven and earth pass, one jot or one tittle shall in no wise pass from the law. Matthew chapter 5 18. Last time we checked, heaven and earth are still here. Challenge to Catholics and Protestants alike. Find one verse where Jesus authorized this change. You can't, because he never did. If tradition is your authority, admit it. But don't call it biblical. This is more than a doctrinal debate. It's a line drawn in the sand. To obey the Sabbath is to honor the Creator. To follow Sunday is to honor a system that exalts itself above God. Millions have been deceived, but the truth is rising. Revelation 18:4 calls out, come out of her, my people, that ye be not partakers of her sins. The heresy of Sunday worship is not just Catholic, it's global, and it is leading souls to eternal ruin. Choose today whom you will serve, the God of the Bible or the counterfeit Church of Rome. The command is clear, the choice is yours.